Okay, what have we here? This is a brand new Apple Watch Series 6 in space gray aluminium case, as you can see, with a black sport band, 44mm. So I will unbox this for you to see how it looks. As usual, excellent packaging from Apple. As you can see, really nice. As you can see, like so. Nice. And like this. As you can see, really nice packaging, as usual from Apple. Here we have the watch itself. And here we have a black sport band. That's what's in the box. Let's start with a black sport band. We open that. Like so. I don't do this so often, so I don't remember exactly how to open every package. But as you can see, very smart packaging from Apple. And here we have the guide to how to mount this on the watch, and as you can see, it comes in two different sizes depending on if you have very small wrists or larger wrists, as you can see. So here we have the one for larger wrists. Like so. And now we comes to the watch. A space gray 44mm Apple Watch Series 6. Really nice. Apple is known for this packaging. As you can see, you can just lift it up and it's open. Very, very nice. Here we have some documentations. And here we have the charger. And nowadays they come without a brick. I think that's really bad, actually. I don't think that's a good idea. But they say that it is for environment and so on, but seriously, if this is the first Apple Watch someone buys, then they don't have the charging brick when they open this. I think this is terrible. Really terrible. And here we have the watch itself, as you can see, in space gray. I think this was a bit hard to unbox, actually. Maybe I do something wrong, but it was very hard to remove the watch from this. Okay, like so. Here we have the watch itself. As you can see, it has more sensors than the Series 5 on the back side. I can show you if you want. Here is my Series 5. And as you can see, it's a huge difference between the Series 6 and Series 5 when it comes to sensors. That's what's in all the box. So now let's mount the watch band. Like so. Looks good. This is how it looks when it's on. Pretty nice, I think. Feels really good. Very comfortable watch band. I like it a lot. Very, very good. So that's it. Please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, so do that. Thank you. Bye.